So, welcome back, friends. Hope you enjoyed the budget day, and very stressful it was for me and my team. We had made a very, very bold prediction about a negative day yesterday in all our groups, and even in the YouTube channel in the morning. I had given the prediction. It was very gutsy. It may appear to be as a very simple decision, but if you had watched the television channels and of what others speak, I rarely refer, but if you had watched any of them, either they were completely quiet, they said, let's wait, hear the budget and then say, but we were the only ones who stuck the neck out and said that we are going to see a negative day of the budget. We had a lot of homework that we did before we came to this conclusion, and we held this view quite solidly. And as we saw the markets, they were pretty much in the red most of the day. Recovery came in a little later. But if you look at the overall budget, I think the increase in the STT, or the Securities Transaction Tax on the FNO, will not hurt much. It's just a small percentage increase. I think what can impact still is the short-term capital gains tax increase so much that can have some impact. Market looks at many things, not only this. As far as property transactions, there is a loss of the indexation benefit, which is not very comfortable situation. Of course, the rate of tax has come down from 20 to 12.5. So there is trying to uniformization of the tax rates across various capital assets. But all said and done, we can see that we have to look into the calculations of the property, but the preliminary calculations somewhere felt that indexation was a little better. So we will try and recheck our calculations and we'll let you know. Okay. So the major thrust of the budget has been on growth, on rural, on Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. Yes. And on aqua farming, on fisheries, and so many companies, and on critical rare earth minerals. But and the tone is really, there has been some benefit given in terms of increase of standard deduction and things like that. But I was really looking at a little more for the Aam Aadmi in terms of ease of living per se. Okay. Many provisions are there. People have to go through day to day. It makes it a little difficult. Now, but of all the things, I will recheck my calculation on the property taxation front. As chartered accountants, we do this very frequently, but little bit of spreadsheets that we have laid out don't show as much benefit. In fact, there's a little loss of benefit, but we will recheck and we will get back to you. Friends, it was a tough day to call, and we read the market correctly once again, just like we read on the election day. We were the only people who said it's a negative day, and it's turned out to be that way. We had almost 1,000 points loss in the Sensex in a span of just a couple of hours. And yes, there are companies which will stand to benefit from the budget. We will be covering it in our union budget special, for which today is the last day to join. We will still tell you over the next 2 weeks what will be the impact on the markets and which sectors and which companies can benefit from the union budget special. So yes, would love to hear from you. You can join by WhatsApping us on 982-086-1044. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.